Dear all, in this lecture we will focus on the domain and hosting and what is the difference between domain name and web hosting. See, in the last three lectures we are discussing about different principles, different processes for the website. But we need to understand the websites works with the client server model. User is there and all the information is on the server side. How this is managed? This is managed with the help of the domains, what is allotted to the websites, and the hosting processes and hosting purposes, what has been, you know uh, service has been taken by the website administration. Let's move. See, here is a simple analogy. Www, here it is a www, and in www we use our cloud, or you can say that some networking concept, and this networking concepts is connect our servers. These are our servers to the world. So in the world, wherever you are present, just click and this website will get it on your web page. This website with its web page will be on your screen with the help of the www, which is situated and located at some different servers, and with the help of some coordinated networks like cloud computing and a network. So before moving ahead, what is domain name? Domain name is the address of your website that people type in the browsers. URL bar to visit your website. In other words, if your website was a house, then your domain name will be its address. Domain name is the address of your website that people type in the browsers, URL bars to visit your website. Now let's get it into a detailed explanation. Internet is basically a giant network of computers connected to each other through cables. To easily identify them, each computer is assigned a series of number called IP address. This IP address is a combination of the numbers separated with the dots. Typically, IP address looks like this. Computers have no problem identifying and remembering these numbers. However, it is impossible for humans to remember and use these numbers to connect to the websites on the internet. To solve this problem, domain names were invented. So actually, the website is working on the IP address, but for the human interface, we need domain names. Okay. Now, what is domain name? Domain name can have words which make it easy to remember for the website addresses. Now, if you want to visit a website on the internet, you don't need to type a string of numbers. Instead, you can type in an easy to remember domain name. For example, wpbeginner.com. Now, wpbeginner.com is not going to interact with the server where the site on the site where the information is loaded. It only going to interact. It only going to interact with the this IP number, but with through this interface, say domain interface. Okay, so we need. Let's move ahead. Then what is web hosting? Web hosting is the place where all the files of your website live. It's like the home of your website where it actually lives. So web hosting is basically, you can say that it's a server where all your data is there. A good way to think about this is the domain name was your address of your website. If domain name is the address of your house, then web hosting is the actual house's address point to. All websites on the internet need web hosting. When someone enters your domain name in a browser, someone enters domain name like www.facebook.com, www.google.com. The domain is translated into the IP address of your web host company's computer. This computer contains your website files, and it sends those back files to the user browser. This file, these files are those files which the user wants to show to their, sorry, with the developer, the business manager through its website want to show it to its user. So there are various companies which help us in the web hosting you know services, which store and service the web hosting thing. In India, we are following services: Hostinger, SiteGround, A2 Hosting, InMotion Hosting, GoDaddy India, Bluehost, BigRock. They offer different type of the hosting plans, and according to the need of the customer, which we will discuss in the last unit, unit fifth. Let's move ahead. How domain names and web hostings are related? Domain name and web hosting are two different services actually. URL, with on the URL you write domain name, and the web hosting is something on the server side. Those where how this IP is going to connect with the space, which is there in the at the web hosting company on the there on the web hosting company on the at its file location which is allotted to us. So this the interrelation is we need to discuss here how it is going to be done. We will move ahead and know how it interact with each other. However, they work together to make a website possible. We need not to have all our content within a folder. It can be a different folder. With the help of the cloud computing and all services, we can assimilate different contents at the different places and produce a website for you. Basically, a domain name system is like a massive address book that is constantly updated. Okay. Behind each domain name, there is an address of the web hosting service storing the website websites files. What we have discussed. Without domain name, it will not be possible for people to find your website. Without web hosting, you cannot build a website. So, domain name is for people, and web hosting is for is to build a website. So what do I need to build a website? Domain or web hosting? To build a website, we need both actually. We need both domain name as well as the web hosting. So buying a domain name along with any these these services are taken in the account with the international uh, body, and there is a set mechanism how we can get a different domain names to our domains name to our system. To build a website, we need a different domain name, and how it is done. Let's move ahead. Buying a domain name alone only gives you right to use the particular domain for the specific period, usually 1 year. You need web hosting to store website files. After you get hosting, you need to update your domain name setting and point it to a web hosting service provider. Example, web hosting service providers like BigRock and all. You can also buy both domain and hosting for the same company. Typically, domain name costs 1100 per year, and web hosting normally costs 700 per month. If you're starting your first website, this may sound like a lot, but still, for a website, we need both. For a website, we need servers, we need no, we need servers, and those servers can and it is at a web hosting platform. And for your URL, you need a domain name, which is that is, for example, let's go ahead. Let's have a www.facebook.com. That is the domain name, and Facebook will interact with the different servers, where it has been hosted, and it will bring back to all the after the authentication, all your credentials and all your data which is under the Facebook will be loaded for your profile. This is what intermingle and interaction of the domain name and web hosting is all about. Hope you understand with this diagram, and we will explore it further in our further lectures. Thank you for listening. Take care.